All right, so today is find the error. You guys, we've been doing lots of review, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 3 problems, and I'm going to make a mistake, and your job is to find the mistake, tell me what I did wrong, and fix it for class tomorrow, okay? So you got to fix it. You can't just find it. You got to find it and fix it. Okay, so the first one is going to be this one. 70 is 10 times greater than 7. Okay, so my answer is 10 times 7 is 70. I'm already telling you it's wrong. You got to find why it's wrong and fix it for me. Okay, my second one is going to be an area model. So I'm going to do 45 times 32. Okay, I'm going to do my 40 plus my 5. I'm going to do my 30 plus my 2. Draw my lines where my pluses are. I'm going to do 30 times 40. I'm going to do 40 times my 5. I'm going to do 2 times my 40. And I'm going to do 2 times my 5. Okay, so this is 112. And I've got 2 zeros. 4 times 5 is 20. And I have 1 0. 2 times 4 is 8, and I have 1 0, and 2 times 5 is 10. So then I'm going to add them up. I've got 1200, I've got 200, I've got 80, I've got 10. Add them up. 8, 9, 4, 1000. All right. So my answer, I'm going to put 1,490. Find my mistake on number 2. And then the last one, I'm going to do how many times greater is 700 than 7? Okay, I know Miss Corbin likes me to underline it, and that means it's a box. And I put mom multiplication. She wants me to say is and box up that 700, so I know is 700, and then this last number goes here. So I'm going to say that this is 10 times greater. Okay, so there's a mistake in there. I'll put 10 times greater. So your job is not just to write the notes. Job number 1 is find mistake. Job number 2 is correct mistake. And these are all mistakes that I see you guys making. So on each of them, find the mistake, correct the mistake. Okay? So I'm going to be checking, Dr. Hasty and I and Miss Davis are going to be checking your notes to see if you can find the mistake that we made, or that I made. Have fun.